Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to create mountains and valleys using Unity Terrain tool. If you're new to the channel, we often make videos about Unity tutorial, so if you're into that type of stuff, consider subscribing for more content. And with that out of the way, let's get started. Firstly, let's create a terrain and just like that, and go to our brush tool, select raise or lower terrain. Now to create a mountain, select a brush called Bulletin Brush 4 and start moving your cursor from left to right just like that in one spot and keep overlapping until you see there's a mountain shape like mine, and it's just that easy. You can repeat this to other places and now you will have like a mountain biome just like that. And optionally, you can also add textures to our terrain. So our texture list consists of stone, dirt, and snow for our mountaintop. Go to the link in the description down below and download it. And go to the brush again, but this time to the paint texture section and create layer. And so you want your first layer to be our dirt. So create layer and let's find our dirt. Select it. And now that's the base layer done. Now to the second layer, which is the stone layer, and the stone layer will be on the mountain. So let's hit add layer, and this time the stone texture, and you use the paint texture tool and go over all of the mountains. And as you can see, we have a pretty good mountain with the stone texture. And finally, to our mountain top, add another layer, and it's the snow layer, and put some on the top of the mountains. As you can see, it turns out quite well. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and watched till the end, consider subscribing for more unique content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.